Hey guys, Motorcarnut here, and today we're going to be removing the front bumper on a 2012 to 2016 Chevy Sonic. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you want to jack the car up a little bit. I have it on the lift. Makes it easier. You don't need a lift, obviously, but it's easier to film the video. And you're going to want to jack the front of the car up just enough so you can get underneath there because you have to take off some screws. So the first thing we're going to do is on top over here, we have these little plastic, pins. You got to pop them out. All right. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then 10 millimeter, 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right. We're going to take those off first, and then we're going to continue. And to show you these fasteners, you can use a screwdriver or a tool like this. There's going to be a little indentation where you can stick something in there like a screwdriver just to get it up enough, and then you just put this under and you pull it out like that, and then you got this one right here and it just comes up like that. Okay, now we're on the bottom of the car. Now this one doesn't have a panel. There was a panel here. You have to remove that panel. All right. I know the other ones I had, somebody must have took it off. You're going to have a panel here. Just remove it. Okay, and then what we're going to do on the bottom over here, it's going to be a Torx 20 here. You're going to find one here, here. This is broken, but yours is probably not going to be broken. All right, then we're coming around on this side here. And one over here. And over here. So you just want to take these bolts out. Okay, Torx 20. And then we're going to go to the wheel well and take those off. And now we're going to do the fender liner. You don't have to take the wheel off. You could just tilt it in so you have more access. We have screws here, the 20 Torx, 1, 2, 3, and this one right here. All right. This little plastic thing is in the way. Once you unscrew it, just take that one out. Do the same thing on both sides. So now what you do is you move this away a little bit, and you get a plastic tool, and you go underneath here, and you lift this up. You push this up and out, okay? They have little tabs here. They love to break, okay? If they do break, see, they slide in here, and then they lock in here. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and it locks in there. If yours are broke, this one was a little bit broken over here. All right, what you can do is clean it up, put a little bit of glue if you want. If you're not going to take it off ever again, and you put it back on there. And with the screw, it's going to basically hold it in over here, and you'll be good to go. I'm going to do that on both sides. And after you do that, you just basically pull up and out. Like this. Over here, see like that. Like this. And she's going to slide out. So now before that, if your car has fog lights, all right, when we take it out, we have to just disconnect the fog light wiring. And in the middle, there's going to be an air temperature sensor. Pretty much all cars have it in the grill. In the grill down here. And we got to disconnect that sensor too, and then the bumper comes right off. And over here, actually, the sensor there was out. Yours is probably going to be in. Here's the connector right here. You just take this connector off. You could just twist the bulbs out right there. Don't touch them. And she's loose now. And that's it. All right. And you reverse the procedure of removal to install it. And that's basically it. All right, guys. Motorcarnut, please subscribe. Hit that like button. Any questions pertaining to the video, leave them. I answer all my questions. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.